Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I was just about to go to the gym, but I thought to show you my brand new purchase. This is the H655 Bluetooth Hybrid Active Noise Cancelling Wireless Headphones from HAVIT. So we're going to do a little unboxing, that's all, really. It's really light, like from the carton. I can see that it's really light, so I'm really happy about that. Wow. Then all you have to do is pull it out like so. Very nice. Is this ASMR or does this sound crusty? This way. Wow. That's all. Here are the accessories. So you have a user manual, you have a product warranty. Obviously, the product warranty allows you to repair the product or exchange the product with the product of equivalent functionality if something happens to it. So that's great. Then we have the user manual. Okay, we're going to use this to figure our way out of this. This is the charger, Type-C charger, which I love. Let's read all the features it claims to have and we'll see if it's actually worth it. So the first thing you see on the carton is that it's a hybrid active noise cancelling, hybrid ANC, active noise cancelling, multi-mic ENC. That means that it blocks out noise from outside and noise from inside as well. Multi-mic has two mics, one on the outside that detects environmental noise and cancels it out, and one on the inside that also cancels out noise. I don't think you guys understand how great that is. So if you're someone that you love your DND, you love your noise cancellation, this is the headphone for you. Skin-friendly earmuffs. I can already tell it was so soft and it's so, I don't know, it's not like fabric that gets dirty and stores bacteria. It's leather or something, but it's really soft and I like it a lot. So the HAVIT H655 Bluetooth boasts of a -35 dB, that's decibel, noise cancellation depth, which is really great. A lot of headphones do like 27 to 30, but -35 even says -35 plus or minus. That's the whole new level of noise cancellation. Boasts a 76-hour long play time. That means you can play, like you can listen to music non-stop once it's fully charged for like, that's more than 3 days, am I wrong? And also if you're a gamer, has game mode low latency, ambient sound mode if you're not a fan of the whole noise cancellation bit. The charging time is 1.5 hours, so you only need 1.5 hours to get this fully charged and then enjoy for 76 hours straight. In order for you to protect your hearing and extend the service life of this product, do not listen with a high volume for a long time. I hope you're listening, because do not use headphones while riding or driving for your safety. Some of you still won't listen. Children under 3 years of age are not allowed to use the headphones. That's basically all it is. So I'm going to do a test. I'm going to connect you guys to my regular headphones, and then I'm going to connect you guys to this one, and we're going to see who sounds better, if the noise cancellation bit really works. So we're going to go through the user manual. If you want to put it on, long press, off, long press. Okay, Bluetooth connection, everything is here. You can even connect two devices, which I love now, because I don't know why a lot of devices only allow you one. Doesn't make sense. So for music playing, short press is to play or pause. You can skip to the next song, go back to the previous, increase the volume, reduce the volume. I think that's pretty standard, pretty cool. Also for calls, oh, that's what this thing, if you want to plug this directly to something, you don't have to If you don't want to do the wireless thing, if you don't want to use Bluetooth, you can plug this boy directly. You can use it to answer calls, end the call, reject incoming calls, activate voice assistant. Yeah, that's basically very standard. I love it. So we're going to try and let's compare the two of them. I think we are connected. I can barely hear anything. Can you guys hear me? I don't know how this sounds, but to change it to noise cancellation mode. Oh, there's a button for that, like a whole button for that. I think we're currently in noise cancellation mode, but I don't know. So you have the volume increase button, the power button, and the volume decrease button. And right here is the A and C button itself. So you don't have to do all those funny things like long press power button or something. So let's just do it. Okay, this is ambient mode now. I can hear everything around me. I can hear myself. Now this is noise, like I cannot hear anything. I can't hear the AC on. I can't hear anything. I'm barely hearing myself. Like if I wanted to play music with this, let me try. You see this is cushioned for your head, so your head is not hurting. Cushion right there. Okay, now I'm connected to my earphones that I wear every single day. I don't know if there's a difference. The app I'm filming on, in order for me to talk and film at the same time, it already kind of reduces the quality of the audio. But personally, this is the best noise cancellation device I've ever used. And get this, it's only 48,500. I thought it was going to be so much more than that. You guys know how much headphones cost. So I'm going to put the link in my description. And just let me know if you'll be getting this, because this is definitely a keeper. It's such a great gift. You can give this to your loved one. It's Valentine's Day period. You can do anything with it. And you can also get one for yourself, especially if you're like a gym girly or you just like your space in school. And it's very aesthetically pleasing. This looks like it's going to be so durable. I love this extension so much. So it's very aesthetically pleasing. It matches your outfit. I think it's available in like a creamish beige and then a black. I personally love a black set of headphones, so I think it's really aesthetically pleasing. Just let me know if you guys are going to get it. Description is going to be linked below, so you just click on the link and it'll take you directly to the sites with the price, everything. You can also get the case. I didn't get the case, which I think I want to. So it comes with a little pouch that just, it's not that expensive as well. So let me know what you guys think. Will you be getting this and why? Bye.